Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your English class. Today we will learn D for dog. D for dog. So let's start. Put a pencil on the below blue line, then go up, again come down, again go up, come down, and then make a small curve. D for dog. Once again. Put your pencil on the below blue line, then go up, again go up, then make a small curve. D for dog. Once again. Put your pencil on the below blue line, then go up, come down, then make a, then go up, again come down, then make a small curve. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. And in the same manner you have to do your homework. Thank you.